hit it at the right time. You didn't get everybody in.
All right. Woo! All right. Welcome to the Watch Me Lose My Money, Eddie Vinica's green line crossing over the yellow line. Make some money. $2,000 challenge. $1,000 to $2,000 paper money before we do anything. Um, welcome and let's make this money.
My man, Fun Trader was like, "You guys are late. You guys are late." He's like,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
he's like,
This is Sparta!
he's trying to tell you, bro,
Can I,
you're late.
dude, I really, it would be great if you could just take that little guy and put it right next to the candle, and then pop, and then the market kind of like goes down.
I don't
I'm
know how I
telling
can do that, but I'll find a way to do that. I will find a way to do that. What up, everybody? I see Fun Traders in the house. Wes is in the house. I'm telling you, bro, ride or dies. We're building community, bro. Building community. We are all trying to get this bag, man. All of us. All of us. I love it. 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 Oh man. So Eddie has approved my first video that I will be putting up on the Basic Trading 101 channel today once we're done. He's approved it, and since he's approved it, I can
Damn, I'm good.
and we're gonna post it up today for everybody. So we're gonna do what we got to do. Man, Apple was at 143.54. I wanted to take profits down there, pump back up to 144 right before open. Yeah, but did you see the news, Wes? Did you see the news? Did you see the news? Oh
let's
man,
wait for it to
we're
open.
not. Oh,
One
Marco.
minute. 1 minute.
Hey, Eddie, your boy Marco wants to know if you're driving anymore. How many hours did you put in this morning, Hoss?
Yeah. This morning, I put in 0 hours.
What?
Yeah, 0 hours this morning. Market opened
Why?
up. Yeah, because Thursdays it's not good mornings. It's only in the afternoon. But then again, um, I felt like it.
I was gonna say, dog. Okay, I told you I was going risk on this morning, right? I told you I was going risk on this morning, right? Didn't I tell you that?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
just
this
letting you
is
know I'm risk on this morning. If none of you guys know what risk on means, it means I'm ready to risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuits. We're gonna do some damage today, bro. We're gonna do some goddamn damage today. I'm trying to tell you, man. I ain't playing no games today. Gator don't play no games. Gator don't play no games. I'm just telling you. All right, why is this not giving me my chart the way I need it to? There it is. Whoop. There it is. Come on, come on. Whoop. There it is. Whoop. Too much, too early, too fast. What are we doing?
too early.
What the hell, bro? What the hell? What
Too
the hell? What
early.
the hell? What the hell?
Wow.
Wow, really? That low? No way. No way. Bro, I gotta do it, bro. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. We get ready to go, Hoss. Oh man. Boom. All right. Risk is on. Fuck fundamentals this morning. I am jumping in an SPS put SPX put bright and early. We are in. I'm in at 520. I told you risk is on this morning, bro. This is like I don't know why I just feel it. I feel it. I feel it.
I'm gonna
Feel it.
do my dom and I'm just gonna wait.
Risk
Feeding
it.
minutes. Feeding 15 minutes at least.
Oh man. I don't know. This might be a bad idea, bro. This might be a bad idea. I don't know yet. What the hell? Lift. 52-week low just set a new low at 956 a share. 956 a share. Here, let me bring up my chart so people can see what I'm talking about. I am risk on this morning.
Oh my
Might be a
God, what?
bad move. Might be a bad move. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I was at 1898, right, Eddie? 1898. So we're gonna set
Correct.
for I'm gonna set this for 625. I'm gonna try to sell this at 625 if I can get there. If I can get there, so I can end this 6.25. where I want to sell this contract at if I can get there. If not, I'm going to lose a lot of money today.
Hold on, where is Lyft?
Woo! I'm going to lose a lot of money today. SPX put contract. I'm playing the daily 39.10. I just have a feeling we had a nasty drop overnight. Tesla, even after its investor day, man, still dropped 5% overnight, bro. Because people sell the news. That's the way this shit works. Nobody understands that. You sell the news and buy the fear. I thought the Tesla investor day was pretty good. Futures are at 39.33. SPX, wow. 39.33. Very rarely do they correlate like that. The dollar is way up through the roof. We're over a dollar 105 on that. The US 10-year is over 4%.
Put them up as you're talking about them.
I can't because then I mess up all these charts over here. So
Damn it.
you have to just trust and believe, bro. Trust and believe. Trust and believe. Oh man. Now I am looking because I'm in at what, 520. You got my chart up here. In case you don't know, that purple dotted line on the right chart, that's my entry. On the left chart is SPX. Market doesn't know what it wants to do yet. I'm not keeping up with the chats there, Eddie. Since you're doing the
Oh
Dom,
wait, hold on. Yeah, I'm doing the Dom, but your little videos got me thinking. So
don't think yet. Come on, we're trading. Oh, I'm getting crushed, Eddie. I'm getting crushed.
that's why I like to wait. Don't come
I'm
to
getting
me for
crushed.
nothing.
I'm getting crushed. I'm down $100. Oh. All right, we got spies pumping. Spies pumping. Spies pumping. Watch what this contract does for me, bro. Watch what this contract does for me. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. Oh man, let's see. What do I have available to trade? I have 1378 still left to trade. When I tell you I'm risk on today. Y'all might not like it, y'all might not see it, but I'm risk on today. See, and that's because the 10-year is over 4%. That's because the dollar shot the flick up. It's at 105. I got the VIX at 21. Let's go, baby, all the way back. Look at that. You go. I go from down $100 to down probably right around $10, $15 right now. That's the power of the SPX contracts. They are the fastest moving contracts in
New York,
the
New
stock
York
market.
Lander. I'm getting a call right now. I just don't know who the hell it is.
If I don't know, bro, I let them go. If I don't know, I let them go. Oh, let's see. I got this order set for 625. So let me put in the line at 625. So that way, if we break that 625, we know the contract is sold. There it is. This is what we're going for. If we can get there. Purple line is my entry. That green line is my sell point. Sell order's already in. I'm not even playing with a stop loss right now. If I get burned, I get burned.
And
But
this
you
is
got to let.
This is
Huh?
SPX, right? This is SPX.
This is SPX, bro. Yeah, this is SPX. This is where the big boys play, bro. This is exactly where the big boys play, and they can do that because you're not going to find contracts more expensive than this that move this
I'm gonna
violent.
wait. I'm gonna wait. Good morning, commuter branch.
That's what I wanted to see. I
Yeah,
just watched
Tesla.
Spy
Yeah, Tesla. I got
reject off the
Tesla up here.
VWAP.
Tesla's coming down.
It is. It is. I told you it's risk on
Ooh.
today, Hoss. Risk on today, Hoss.
Hold on. I like Tesla is playing my little strategy right now. Let me see.
Let's go, Spy. Let's go, Spy. 392.21 is pre-market low. I am looking for it to get down to. This is why I'm playing risk on today. A bunch of bad fucking news, right? And then we've got uh, uh, Spy was at 392.21. Big drop overnight. That's the pre-market low. I'm looking for SPY to test their pre-market low, but I'm playing in the big money because if it tests that pre-market low, this contract's going to sell out at my number. It's going to sell out at my number.
Okay, here we go.
Here comes SPY. I'm having fun today, guys. I'm not even looking at comments. That's Eddie's job today. He's
I
sitting
got
there
that.
playing Dom. No
Kind
trading.
of, kind of, kind of, kind of. I just
No
took
trading
one.
till
I
9:45,
just
bro.
took one Tesla. I just took a Tesla put right now. So
Oh man. Well, where's Kiara when we need her, bro? Where's Kiara when we need her? Here we go. Come on. Come on. I want to play my new soundboard. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Test that pre-market low, baby. Test that pre-market low. I hope I didn't misgauge this contract as far as where it could get to. Big a bump, big a bump, big a bump, bump, bump. Come on. Ain't gonna be no fake pumps here. Today might be the rug pull. Everybody thought we were back in a goddamn bull market. They're full of shit. I don't know what they're talking about. Math is truth. Numbers don't lie.
okay, let's see. Now I'm taking a look at my Tesla right now. I just need my lines to hold up. If not, then I'm out.
That's it. Know your stop loss. Know what you're willing to lose. I know where I'm willing to lose. Come on. Come on. All right. SPY just came up, bounced up, hit VWAP again. Let's see. Let's see. You see what I mean when you look at the swings here, bro. Look at my right chart of the option contract.
Wait, wait,
So
hold on.
I bought the contract at 520, right? We've already been as low as 390 and as high as 600. They're violent. They swing. This is not for the weak of heart, these contracts. But if you guess right, if you predict it correctly,
I was
if you
just
do
gonna say,
your
it's like
homework,
guessing is not a good idea.
it's not. But if you take the picture and put the whole picture together, it'll usually tell you a story to lead you to which way you think it's probably going to happen. Now, I could have been out of this contract at 600 and would have made 80 bucks right there.
There we go. So there goes my Tesla. 186.81. There he goes. And I just wanted to pop a squeeze.
Pre-market low on Tesla is like 185.40. So just keep that in mind. Risk on, baby. A lot of risk on this morning. It keeps rejecting off VWAP. I need one more good flush. Now, the other problem with these contracts that I'm in, these are 0 date to expiration. So these are same day contracts. So you start getting eaten up on time. Your premiums get ate up on time. But it's doing what I wanted to do so far. Look at Tesla ripping.
Oh,
It's going to
yep.
break 200.
I'm not gonna take no more than a 10% loss. Oh, okay. Here we go. I'm way past my 10% now.
Big pump up there. Big pump on Tesla. TLT still under 99.5. Watching the dollar, watching the VIX, watching the 10-year, and watching oil, crude futures. All right, Tesla just set a new high a day.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna wait for it. Tesla. I got out though. It was a $100 loss.
Okay. Now, but look, hey, look at your Tesla chart. You have a
Uh-huh.
higher day and you got a higher day and a lower day. You kind of and you're trading right below the big. Now I just got back into that zone. You should be pushing into a zone now on Tesla. Are you
Hold on.
pushing into a zone on Tesla?
Not on mine. Mine is all the way up here at the top.
Okay, you got another zone below you though. I'm looking for Tesla to reject out of that zone. That zone, Eddie, if you look for it, I've got it at 189.55 is the bottom of that zone. 192.28 is the top of that zone. I'm looking for it to reject down out of that zone. Go find that zone, buddy.
Are you talking about this right here?
189.50 to 192.20. It's in that area.
I want my 192.
I've had that zone up for a little while, so it's a continuation zone.
Okay, I see it.
Should be slapping the bottom of that zone right now.
Yep.
There you go. And see, that's a long zone from last time it was in this area. That's no shorty zone. That's a long time zone. SPY is just sitting in this area, bro. It keeps popping up the VWAP and then getting slapped back down. SPX is barely moving. I thought I was hoping we'd be a little more violent this morning. There's no more news today either. That's
No.
the end of today's news, if I'm correct. Thursday. Yeah, there's nothing. There's no more news today. So we had unemployment numbers, and then we had revisions. And the revisions are always worth. It's amazing how markets become, bro. Bad news equals positive movement in the market, and good news is negative movement in the market. I guess they are selling the news, huh? There go the futures. That's what I wanted to see.
Yeah,
Come
no, see Tesla's curling. I don't know. I just figured it curled in the beginning because it. Hold on, I'm gonna put my Tesla up. Yeah, because it was rejecting. I see that it was rejecting at the top here, or where my zone, what my line was before I put my zone there. Um,
on.
so I just waited to cross my lines, and then I said, okay, you know what? Continuation. But here it came back up, and look at where it's turning around on.
Yep. It's
So,
spinning right back off that zone.
so let's see what happens when it gets into this zone if it does get in there.
Now give yourself a bottom zone. Give yourself something to shoot for down there, which you have,
Oh,
right? So no, take the pre-market play, which it's never really good to take pre-market play, but in this case, because we're day trading in a short time zone, give yourself draw you a zone from the lower pre-market, Give yourself a little tiny zone down there, or give yourself a support line down there somewhere. Find your support. Nope, that's too low. Come up a little bit.
we're talking about right here.
No, come down in the pre-market.
Uh-huh.
Now find you a 2 or 3 point. No, no, no. Where you going, bro? No, 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 no. Right,
What are you talking
to the
about?
right, to the right, to the right.
Uh-huh.
Low of pre-market. Mark your low of
Okay.
pre-market.
Yeah.
Okay, give yourself a mark there. But right above that, if you look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact. Now start these slowly, drag that line up, and give yourself a support line there. You got 4 points of contact there. Technically, you got 5 points of contact. Yeah, mark your line in there, and there you go. If it rejects, you want to play the contract from where it rejects out of that top zone down to low of day.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Right? So now you've got something to play with. If you want to go long and trade calls, you can go to the upper part of this zone. If
Yep,
you want
it
to
should be
play,
right over
if you
here.
want to go short and play puts, now you've got an area to play with. I might buy a second contract here. I'm down $140, but I'm looking at futures, man. Futures is down. Spy is hitting my little mini 200. God, fucking people, man. I am trading right now. Leave me the hell alone. Oh, that ain't good.
Hold on, I'm gonna leave my Tesla up there. I'm gonna put my spy right over here.
Oh, all right. I need to get into some comments here because I'm gonna let this trade play out. Oh my god, seriously? All right. Might be buying a new car, Eddie. God damn. I think Kitty might be Kitty
On her
might have
last
a
leg.
new ticket. Yeah, not on her last leg, just she needs a lot of work. Kitty needs a lot of work.
Why if he took the leg off and it's hard to put back on, no prosthetics?
Yeah, man, and I knew it would happen, bro. I knew it would happen. It's like just, nobody takes care of your baby more than you take care of your baby, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you
Woo,
should have
Vegas
seen
going
my
is not good right now.
the feeling that I got when I got hit on my Tesla. Yeah, I wanted to strangle that guy.
Yeah, it's not good, dude. It's not good. All right, let's cancel
First
this solo.
luxury car that I've ever had in my whole entire life, and I was doing so good with it until some idiot just blew the red light. Do you believe it? Blew a damn red light.
So now what I'm looking to do is because I'm way down on this contract, dude. I'm down like $200 this morning. But I'm looking at futures, and futures are keeping me in this trade. If people want to know what's keeping me in this trade, why I haven't cut short yet, it's because I'm watching futures. I know SPY and SPX is running up, but futures are trading right in this zone. So now I'm not saying I'm right or wrong. I'm just saying that I will probably take a second contract here. Bring my dollar cost average down. This, like I said, today I was high risk. High risk. Down $240 right now, bro. Oh, but the VIX just fell. What the hell's going on there?
Yeah, yeah. Tesla's going right back up. I could get $9,000 worth of Apple with one spin. That's Weeble.
Yeah. And here comes, I'm telling you, there's a web coming.
Well, everything is lining up for me. Let me see. It's coming up to my it just passed previous day's low, right? Yep, previous day's low. That's my line right there. It is coming into overbought. MACD is coming up there. See if it starts curling.
All right, we got a gap there. All right, now is when I need to buy this contract. Let's get a second one now. Bam.
You think so? Where's SPX? Actually, I don't have anything marked on my SPX.
All right. So I just brought my dollar cost average down to 410 on a second contract.
Let's check my history here.
That's all I'm willing to risk on this. I'm in for a little bit here. If I lose it all, Eddie, if I lose it all, you'll probably be ahead of me at the end of the day. But I'm feeling a little risky. Now look at Tesla. Go back to Tesla.
Uh huh.
Go back to Tesla.
Yeah,
So if
Tesla's
you
in
went
my zone.
long, okay, yeah, it's in the zone, bro. It's moving towards the top.
It's in my zone.
See you later, young lady. That was my little miss. Looks like she's getting out of town for a couple of days. Means I can run in my underwear. Yes.
So you do sit in the computer in your underwear.
Bro, I thought about doing it today. Like I had this crazy ass idea of shooting a video. Like I took the initial video when I was laying in bed, and I was going to shoot this crazy ass video of how my day goes. And several parts of the video, I'd be in my underwear. I don't wear the tidy whities, so I don't have that problem. I don't wear tidy whities, bro. I need everything to breathe. Oh man, people are up here. Wow, bro, are you paying attention to the comments or no?
Yeah, I got it here. Look, it's tapping area. Okay, yeah, be careful. The trading first hour candle. Yep. I was looking at the. Hold on, I just don't want to miss my trade.
All right. Who wears short shorts? Ha ha! Bro, that was an old ass commercial. I like that. Patty, what's going on? Wes, what's popping, brother? Tesla is getting a real kick in the day. Wall Street didn't like Investor Day yesterday, but I watched it. Like I watched Investor Day yesterday. I was like enthused. And then this morning, after we got off the live stream, Eddie, because Eddie went to bed because his milk was warmed up in his bottle on the stove, so he went to bed, right? But Kiara, Jeff, and I, they had never watched SpaceX rocket take off, a launch, and I showed them a launch last night because Tesla threw or SpaceX threw the Crew Dragon 6 back up into space on their way to the space station, and so yeah, they got to see the first time launch.
Did they see it land?
Huh? Yeah, they got to see the booster rocket land. Bro, that is still the coolest shit.
Yeah.
Cuz have you ever seen how tiny that the drone ship is, the drone landing ship?
Yeah, and it's in the water, and
Yeah,
well, the one in the water,
it's 3-4 miles off the coast. It's amazing, dude. Amazing.
and it picks up the parts and stuff when they fall off,
Yep,
and it
yep,
tracks
yep,
it.
yep. It's awesome, dude. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay, here we go. It's rejecting. Well, this is my spy. I'm looking at my test look. It's right up on the top of my zone.
Bro, the stuff that they were talking about at Investor Day yesterday was just, I mean, the absolute what they're doing, dude, is just ridiculously advanced. Like if you can get through all the garble, but I read a story this morning, of course, that said investors not happy with the lack of details from Master Plan Part 3 of Tesla's story. It's such a bullshit article. That's why you can't listen to Market Watch. You can't listen to CNBC. You have to do your own homework and figure this mess out. Because, you look and you hear one thing, and the guy sitting next to you who's already got a negative attitude, he hears something completely different.
Yeah.
You know, they're all shills, bro. They're all shills. By the way, I was down $240 on these contracts. I am now up $10. Like I say, dog, this ain't for the weak of heart. What I'm doing, you have to have balls. You have to have balls.
This is Sparta!
If you ain't got the sack, don't mess with this stuff, bro. Don't mess with it. This stuff will break your heart. This stuff is like going to the strip club and finding that one hottie you like, and you start feeding her all your cash, and you thinking she's into you, and once you're down to like $2, she's like, "Okay, gotta go. Bye bye. Have a nice night." So, Patty, Patty, you know what, Patty? I'm gonna do something for you, bro. I am making a vow to you. I am gonna find out their schedule. I am gonna go because it's only 4 hours north of me when they launch at a Kennedy Cape Canaveral. It's only 4 hours north of me, bro. I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna vlog the whole thing and I'm gonna get the launch and everything and I'm gonna put it up here for you, Hoss. I'm gonna do that for you.
I think mine is like 6 hours. No, I think it's like 8 hours away.
What's that? Oh,
Boca
Boca
Chica.
Chica. Yeah, but isn't that where they're gonna launch the Starship of Boca Chica?
I think so. I'm not sure because remember it's Florida and Boca Chica, so either one. But here in Boca Chica, they're really going out. Like they're really this is they're gonna call it um,
Starbase,
Starbase. So
bro. Oh, and I showed Kiera. Well, Kiera knew about it, but I showed Jeff the boxables. You know what the boxables are, right?
what are the boxables?
The little houses
Oh
that you can
I saw
build
that.
in an
I saw
hour.
that. I saw that.
That's in my future, bro. 3 of those. I want that triple with the deck on top. I'm telling you, I'm gonna
It's
do it,
just
Patty. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, bro. And that's when I'm gonna wish I had the better camera. I'm not gonna be able to do that on my GoPro, but you know, my phone is pretty damn good though. That hundred times zoom off the rear camera. Oh, now I'm back down $210. See, I could have got out even on these contracts, but I'm following the story. My charts are telling me a different story. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I just looked at the futures. Uh-oh, I might be in trouble. I might be in trouble, Eddie. I might be losing a lot of money today, bro.
well, I am waiting. It's just everything has been not doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Still have 1,078 buying power. So I've risked half my account today. But I said I was going to risk on today.
All right,
So
I'm gonna
let's
try
see.
this. Oh no,
Oh no.
no.
Oh no. Oh man.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you had that trade in Tesla. Do you see the trade? The trade was there. You're on SPY. You already done with the Tesla trade?
Yeah, no, no. Well, I got out. I got out. It was breaking, breaking even. No, no. I
Uh,
took like a $98 loss on it. I was trying to trade SPY right now, but man, it's just like it keeps coming up to my resistance point. I want to see what it does when it gets there.
oh man, I'm down $344 right now. Woo! I'm getting my head handed to me. Ooh, ooh. How much have I done this week? I was only up $303 this week. Now I'm down 370, soon to be 400. SPY going to close the gap and then reject?
Man,
Ah, I need help, Eddie. I need help. I need help. I need help.
okay, let's.
I need help. I need help. I need help. We got 4 people watching. Hey, for those 4, I'd appreciate y'all hitting the like button, share button. We're just having a good old time with it today. Um, you know, when you don't get much sleep, you wake up enthusiastic. To me, the market looked like it wanted to take a shit, and it's
It
this is
didn't.
why. This is what. No, I didn't. But you know what? I'm holding steady. I'm holding steady. I'm bag holding to some people, and I'm diamond hands to others. We might do one more contract here. That way, Eddie and I'll be back to even if I lose all of this. But don't let this sucker fire back up. If this sucker fires back up, that's gonna be Eddie's ass. By the way, Eddie, I've thrown out every trading rule I use. SPX is, oof. Like I said, this is where the big boys play, bro. This is where the big boys play. Let's see. So the question is, do you ever have puts or calls on SPY? All the time. All the time. I personally, I enjoy trading Tesla, Nvidia, and SPY. My track record with Tesla and Nvidia is phenomenal. My win rates on Tesla and Nvidia are probably 70%, 72%. My win rate, loss rate on SPY is probably 50-50. With SPY, you get too many rug pulls. It's crazy like that. Look at Tesla, bro. Popped out of that channel and
Yep,
still
got on
winning.
that channel, and I was pulling back. Let's see if he pulls back to the channel and continuation. And I see the continuation here on Tesla. I am in actually on SPY, 4 contracts,
Calls or puts?
calls.
Okay. Well, there is a gap to fill up to 395.
So yep, I got an eye on that too. It's right over here.
There you go. Look at you, bro. Look at you.
That's the top of my channel.
Whoop, 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 whoop. No, am I too enthusiastic this morning?
But I don't know. Let's see. It's just saying that because the news is never what you predict. So it never happens what it's supposed to happen.
Come on, give me this third contract. I'm going to start mitigating some of my losses now. Trying to mitigate some of my loss. Come on, now I'm trying to buy another contract. Let's go. Give me that contract. Trying to buy a third. There it is. Okay, now we're at 353.
Are you still doing the SPX puts?
Yep. I'm trying to mitigate some of my losses now. Yep. I'm trying to mitigate losses now. All right. There we go. Yep. Just because I see it starting to reject, SPY's rejecting out of the bottom of that
Uh-huh.
gap fill.
Uh-huh.
I'm watching futures start to
I
reject
see
here.
that too. I see that too. Hold on.
So if I do right here, we're going to put 2 contracts to sell at. I'm going to have 2 fired up to let them go if I get to my number. If I can get back to my number. I'm just mitigating losses. I would never recommend anybody do it. Going for the home today. I have home runs. I've been playing it safe, Now I feel like smacking the shit out of it. I feel like Barry Bonds with a fresh shot in my hind parts going for the home run record. That's what I feel like right now. Today I did not trade SPY. That's Eddie trading SPY today. I'm trading SPX contracts, the highest risk, highest reward contracts in the game. So I'm depending on the market to do what it's showing me. It's taking a little time to get there. I'm watching the dollar. I'm watching the VIX. I'm watching the 10-year drop back down again. That was something Sergio mentioned to me yesterday in a text message. Beware of the market looking for closes under 99.50 on the 10-year, and we are there. Tesla just rolled over back into that zone. Down. I went down.
What's the ticker for bonds? 10-year bonds?
The 10-year bond. The ticker is TLT. Um, Everyday exercises. Did you get the answer you were looking for? High risk, high reward, brother. Oof. Contracts will
Cheers.
kill you, bro. Oh, everybody ain't built for this. Oh,
Yeah, no. I just see what I mean? I just see this upward momentum. It's just bouncing right off the 9 EMA.
oh yeah. You're definitely in a channel right now to the upside off lower day. You're
So,
definitely in a channel.
yep.
Spy's popping into this channel for the second time, but it's just wicking. It's just barely wicking into the bottom of that channel, which I could see it closing that gap and then firing back down, but you don't know. You do have an upward channel going right now. I just don't trust it. I don't trust this little this bounce. I don't trust it. All right, I'll be right back. Time for me to go get my first Coca-Cola of the day.
Yeah, no, every day. And it's just getting used to it too. Seeing it, playing it. For me, it's a pain. Vinny sees a down, and then if I'm looking at it, I see an up because it came down to the VWAP bouncing right off of it. Now it's at the 9 EMA. Now it's struggling right in my zone. So, but I still see upward momentum. But my MACD is up there, and so is my RSI. Rody, new gig for $10 at
Exactly.
Walmart. They can keep it.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. Everyday exercise. Exactly what he just said is exactly right. That's how I see it this morning. It might fill that gap at 395 and then fire back down. What I did this morning though was an example of what not to do. I woke up enthusiastic and I my entries were horrible this morning. But like you just said, gravity, bro. It's going to pull it back down to earth, I think. We'll see. We will see. Oh wow, I didn't see this part though. This is
Which
just
part?
confirming. Well, if you look at the futures, which you can't look at the futures on you can't look at the futures on Webull, but you
Yeah.
can look at futures on TradingView. And there is a huge support resistance line right here at what is that? 390 39.46, or I'm sorry, 39.47's huge resistance level there. So we got to see what it does at this point. Damn it, I didn't go look at that. Shit, I'm a dummy. So let's see what it does here at this particular spot. It just wicked to it. Now I need to see if it rejects off that spot. That'll tell me if I need to get the hell out this trade or not, and just take the loss.
No, not Trade Station.
Okay. Kiki, Queen is in the
Oh, there she
house.
is.
There she is.
This is Sparta!
Oh no, I'm sorry. Hers is something different.
FBI, open up!
There she is. That's hers.
Let me see. ES.
Non-farm payroll versus inflation. Clearing out all my notifications. I'm supposed to put a video out today, dude.
But
I haven't done it. I didn't get a video done for today for Uber and Lyft. I'll do one tonight. I'll do one. I'll put it out maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow's a bad day for putting out Uber videos on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It sucks. But I'll probably vlog my day to day. And because, we got spring break. So I'm going to be out there on the beach today. I'm going to get out on that beach and get involved with these young bucks. Make sure my vacuum is fully charged. Because, you can't go to the beach, bro, and pick people up and not expect to get beach sand in your car. You got to anticipate it. You got to anticipate it. Down 339, I'm down $340 right now, Eddie. Down 340 right now, bro. Have you caught up yet?
don't
Where
feel
where
so
you at?
bad. Nope. I'm down 288.
Oh, the day I'm trying to give you a break.
I'm down 288, but I'm playing my strategy off the 9 EMA to the upside. I just broke that flag. Um, I'm keeping an eye on it, but I'm in calls, not puts.
Okay. Wes is saying option puts till June, all in. Thank me later. Um, which asset is he looking at? Apple again? We don't know what you're looking at there, Wesy. It's amazing to me that SPY is just absolutely wicking into the bottom of that downward gap of that gap this morning and has not broke through yet. It's consolidating, just sitting there. So this means to tell me the market maker is back up to his bag of tricks. The market maker is causing maximum pain on those that blindly pull contracts like this guy today.
See, here's Apple. Apple's in a channel.
The market is it has to come back down, bro. Because if you look at SPY
It's
on the
right
picture,
on that. Yeah, I know. I
yeah,
know.
but look at switch SPY to your daily. Go to your daily chart,
Uh-huh.
right? Tighten up your daily chart. No, tighten up your daily chart. Tighten up, tighten up. Boy, I tell you, and you probably think she said you're the biggest she's had.
Right?
Tighten it up. Tighten it
What
up.
do
Not loosen
what
it up. Shrink it up.
this?
Shrink it. Keep
Shrink
coming.
it. Okay, yeah, do that. Say that. Shrink it.
Well, I'm sure you're familiar with that.
Sounds so much better.
Shrink it. Shrink it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Go down. Oh, you got so many damn charts open here. Holy shit. Go pull from your high pull from the high point of last year.
Damn.
There you go. Give yourself a trend line from the top all the way through those 3 points. No, I didn't say a fib. I said a trend line. Trend line, trend line. There. Now pull it all the way through. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, now stop. Right? Now keep that trend line up.
Uh-huh.
Right? Now open your chart up again. You got your 200 on there, right?
Yep, right here.
Okay. We're getting ready to head back down towards this trend line on SPY overall. So you have to keep that in mind. Because once we're back under that 200 moving average, whatever bull market rally they thought they had, they're done. They're done.
Okay, let's see what happens. Let me just I'm gonna get rid of this.
Wow, big Tesla rollover.
Yep. Oh, and I took it off the screen.
SPY is trying to reject off. It's breaking this little trend line here. Let's see where this next
Yep,
candle
see the top right
goes.
here, my zone.
Yep, it's a rejection. Ah, no, Wes, come on, buddy. Wes is. I feel bad watching you because it reminds me of me
Yeah.
trying to figure out the market on lower time frames. But you must use higher trend to understand. That's why I just pointed him to the big trend. He's getting there though. He's getting there. He's getting there. His trade yesterday was phenomenal.
But that was yesterday's.
It's okay. You don't
I need
overthink it.
I need to do that almost like all the time.
That's why we are in a paper trade account.
Paper
We're gonna
trading.
probably have
Because I
we're
probably
probably
would have lost my account like 3 times already.
we're going to we're probably gonna paper trade again after I finish this one off today. Well, if I don't finish it today, I'd be very disappointed. So that we can start a new one. I love these. I love these little paper trade accounts, bro, because it allows me to test strategies. But we got to get into. I got to start trading real money again. I do. Right now, everything's been long term holds. And if I'm read today, what's today? Thursday.
Today is Thursday. It is at
So I
9 and
had
21 in the
4,
AM.
8, 9. 10. I've got 11 straight green days right now. 11 straight green days, and I'm getting close to having 12 right now. Because look at the big rollover on SPY.
Yep, I see it. Ooh, Apple rolled over too. Tesla. Let's see if Tesla's gonna follow through also.
Selling 2 of these contracts now, and then I'll hold one.
There.
Yep, there they went. That was one. Where did they sell at? Did I sell those into profit? Yeah, I sold those into profit. Not much profit, but I sold those into profit, and now I still have one contract at 352. I sold 2 of those contracts at 370. Not really a good percentage, but plus is plus. Now, let me see something here on SPY real quick. Pull a fib from low a day to high a day. I want to see where we're at. Oh, we're in that golden zone. I should dump this contract and be done with it. I'd be down about $3 right now. Let's see what it does here.
Well, I do have my entire high frames on my trading view.
Yeah, you use them to, like I said in the little video, you set your Your support and resistance is based on your daily, and then you go from there. Damn. Bro, if you pull a fib retracement on SPY from lower day to higher day, remember that golden zone? Do it on TradingView. Don't do it on Webull.
Oh, okay. Hold on, I need to switch back to. Let me give me the 3 minute.
That's a good move, Wes. That's a good move. Today I just felt like risking the biscuit.
You're talking about this golden zone right here?
All right, here, get rid of that. Yeah, there you go. Right, lower day to higher day. Open your chart up, top to bottom. You see how it wicked down into that 70%,
Uh-huh.
78.6, and now it's bouncing out. What time frame are you on?
This is on the 3 minute.
Go back to the 1 minute.
Oh, take that back. That's the one.
Get rid of your ad.
This is the 1 minute.
Okay. So at your 78.6 retracement, look at your lower day to higher day. Now look at your 78.6 retracement level, which is three candles ago. You got that big red candle, wick down into it. People bought it up right in that zone. I got to get you to change your colors on this.
Yeah.
But anyway, for you, it'd be blue, right? This little blue area right in there. Yeah.
70 year. Okay, right here. Okay. Yep.
Yep. See, it retraced all the way back into that zone, and
Yep.
people bought it up. And then they bought it up. That's a true bounce. That's how you play a bounce, in my opinion. Off of big runs, big legs, that's how you play a bounce. That was in and out. That was a 3 minute in and out candle. Or three bar in and out. It's not a 3 bar play, but a 3 bar in and out. Now go back to your Webull and look at your Tesla. Right? Oh, I'm not getting wrecked, homie. Wes, I promise you, I'm not gonna get wrecked. But it's not like it can't. It could definitely wreck me. I just had diamond hands today. The charts are telling the story. Like my entries were just bad today. My entries were real bad today. But I am only down now. I'm down like $50 on the day, where I was down $350 on the day. If I didn't have a story in front of me, I would have jumped out of these contracts. My original contract I was in, I think I was in at 520. I'd have been out at like 480. My stop loss would have been about 480 on the contract. But I just I feel like, gambling a little bit today. I got too many green days in a row. That's not good because
Okay.
you have that many when your win rate's that high, you tend to get complacent. Tesla is you're looking at SPY again. Okay.
Yeah, no, SPY. I have my Tesla up here too. I'm looking at it. It came right down to the VWAP on the 1 minute
My play
and
was
on the two
correct, but
minute.
my auction expiry. Oh, your expiration was too short. Yeah. It's tough like that, man. When most people say when you buy contracts, buy them a month out if you're going to hold them a little bit. Put time on them, but I just opened them too quickly. That's here's the thing: you'll never time the market. Ooh, ooh, big
Yeah,
pump
look at
on
that.
SPY. Let's see. Is it going to finally get through this? Is it going to get through the gap? This is what Wes was saying. Or not Wes. Everyday exercises was thinking. We'll see a contract that'll get to, or we'll see SPY tap 395 and then reject. So now I have to. Do I want to buy another contract? I've got plenty of money to buy. I still got $800 something I can play with today. but I'm breaking every rule. Every flipping rule I'm breaking right now. I don't know. I just felt like risking today. Risk on. I called that before we started, right, Eddie? I said I was going risk on today.
But
If
I
it,
don't know.
if
You
it
know, I'm reading the story. This this whole Fibonacci. So like that 78 point something level. It's just the level that you said that it just bounced off of.
well, it did today. That's the level you always want to watch on a major pullback or on a retracement. If it gets into that zone and you see it and you see people buying, then you got to, there's more probability it's going to go to the upside than the downside. Or let me rephrase that. When it gets back into that zone, whether it's on an uptrend or a downtrend, and you start to see a reversal, then it's probably going to continue in the direction of the trend. Does that make sense?
Uh huh.
So that's just, it's just, it happens more times than not. Because what it does is it's taking advantage of those traders that are FOMO. It's taking
Like
advantage
me.
because not necessarily like you. We've all FOMO, bro. Anybody who says they ain't never FOMO'd is full of shit. Oh man. Oof. What's SPY gonna do here? Are we gonna break back below this trend line or are we gonna go ahead and finish capping off this gap fill? All right, I only got a half hour left and it'll be 11 o'clock. And it's time to get ready to go to work. What are we gonna do here? Now you see we're right back up to high a day.
Uh
Right
huh.
back up to high day.
And then it
And
was
we're
two.
above the trend line that it established off the lower day. So if you take and you draw a trend line from lower day and hit all your points going up, you're going to see that you had that big tail wick down, you had the double wick down, and back up again, and now we're back above that trend line.
Hold on,
And
hold
now
on.
it's trying to use not the fib. Get rid of the fib. I want you to draw a trend line. Take a trend line from lower day. There you go. Hit the lower day. Now draw it third. There you go. See, you hit all those points. Same thing, support and resistance. You want to hit multiple points. Extend it out. Now we're back above. We flipped that trend line. We're back above it now. So now we want to see what it does when it gets there. It's a waiting game, my brother.
Where's the channel on the Weeble?
Your channel?
Yeah, you know how you can draw the channel, pick the top, bottom, and I'll
Okay.
show you the channel.
So here, let me show you. All right, you know where you see where you got this here?
Uh huh.
Your indicators, that second set of indicators, trend channel. Click on
Got it.
that.
Got it. There we go.
All right, so bring you back up. There you go.
All right,
Oh man, oh
there it
man, oh man,
goes.
oh man. All right. What's it gonna do?
Oh, I'm really down today.
Oh, you mean you're learning today? Okay.
Really, really down today.
I
This
am
thing.
down. Yeah, I'm down like $100 for today now. 108. What was that? 1895. I'm at 1773. About $125. That's what I'm down right now.
I don't know. I'm trying to read this story, and I can't even make my own. I'm looking at it. Look, it's going right back up. Let's see that 395 that he was talking about, which was the gap fill.
Right.
Here it is.
You got this, bro. Figure it out. I'm waiting for the gap fill. Once I see that gap fill and a rejection off that gap fill, should be game on. Remember, we've only been trading. The market's only been open an hour. The move, though, see, you keep looking at SPY. The trades today were on Tesla.
Yeah, but I'm looking at but
You're looking at the wrong asset today. For you, the trade was on SPY. I mean, on Tesla. Go back to your Tesla chart. Forget SPY. You're getting hung up on SPY. You're treating it like it's your wife.
uh-huh.
Look at the moves on Tesla.
Okay, great. It sounds good. I see the moves. I know what you're talking about, but just as much as Tesla did this, but they did the pullback to the 90 EMA and it kept going. Okay, I got the
I,
same thing on SPY. Came
no,
up, pulled back, and it
you
kept
don't.
going.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
So,
They look similar, but the risk to reward is a lot more. It's a lot better on Tesla. On the risk to reward is a lot better on Tesla than on SPY.
so whether going this route or going
All right, but look.
this route, then because
Okay,
remember
this. Wait,
when I
wait, wait,
when
wait, 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 wait. No, I'm going to stop you short. Nope. Go back to today. Look at your. All right, so you had the opening move. You had the opening move,
uh-huh,
right? It slapped up to that zone, came right back down to your support level.
yeah,
And since it hit the support level, I mean the resistance level at the bottom, support, the red line. See your
yes,
red support
yeah,
level?
right here,
Right? Where you at? I can't see your mouse. Where's your mouse at? No, you're too far to
right there.
right
You
there.
see it? You see it
See
right
the
there.
okay. So you had opening move, rejection, came back down to your support level. That line should be green, by the way. Came back down to your support level and has not looked back. Broke all the move was all the way through, all the way to high a day. That was a trade. That was a huge trade. Because look, your 90 MA never broke below your green line, never broke below what is that? Yellow?
Yeah,
Your
the
VWAP?
VWAP,
It
which
never
is my
broke
yellow.
below VWAP. It never broke below VWAP. And now look at your candles. Your candles never closed until it got to the top near high a day, never closed below your 90 MA. That's a trade. That whole swing is a trade. That's the story. Tesla was the move. You follow me?
No, no, I'm not following
Okay.
because then if I was because I was looking at SPY, I was looking at Tesla the whole time, but on SPY, as it
Spy
was
told
just
you a different story. Spy told you a way different story. Spy 2 or 3 times in that uptrend broke below and closed below your 9 EMA.
and what was
You can't you can't fall in love with these things, bro. There's a reason why Tesla is the most traded asset on the market.
see, I wonder where this. Okay, yeah, it was from back in the day.
All right. So everyday exercise is saying puts at 395 on SPY. Good work. Sell at 394 at 393.75. You're 100% correct if it can get back up to 395. And it'll get there. It's got to close that gap. I just don't know if it's going to close the gap today or not.
It
All right. I like what I'm
sucks.
seeing here. All right. We're taking one more shot. I'm going to try to add to this position, reduce my dollar cost average on these contracts. Well, I had one contract left. I'm going to try to buy one more here and then get out of these things completely. And wherever I'm at, I'm at. All right. So now we're down to 286. This is nothing I would ever recommend to anybody. Never recommend what I'm doing right now to anybody. Ever.
Ever, ever, or ever, ever.
Ever. Ever. Ever. Ever. I would never recommend this to anybody. But I'm not financial advice. So I'm trying to save my ass. But yeah, everyday exercise. You're right. That's a good play. You just got to be patient to wait on it. You just got to wait on it. That's all. Let me show you what I'm looking at there, Edward. Left monitor, left chart is SPX.
Uh
Right
huh.
chart is my option contract chart. I'm looking to see if SPX is going to break below this trend line again and see if we slam down. We're going to use the last low, not the low, the last low, which if you look here, there's actually a little a mini support in this trend right there. Little mini support in that trend. No, no. That's got to be green. This one is the one I want to change colors on. We're going to use that as yellow. There you go. So let's see what it does. So that's how we're playing it. Again, SPY has bounced right out, but it did set a new daily high. But then it bounced right back out of that zone again. If you look at SPY, bounced right back out of the gap zone.
Yep, the zone that I have.
Telling you, market maker is shaking people out. Its job is to inflict as much pain or loss on people as possible. He's got to balance, or she's got to balance, or it has to balance options and calls and puts. TLT is still under 99.50. Wow. Dollar still at 104.96. The VIX is holding at 20 and a half. Once the VIX breaks below 20, we're risk on for real. That was probably, if I were doing this for real, I would have waited on the VIX to see what the VIX did before I got into anything risky like this. Because if the VIX is below 20, that means there's real risk on. That means the market sentiment is risk on.
What is it? VXI?
VIX, that's the volatility index. The higher the volatility, the quicker your price action will be in whatever you're looking at. The lower it is, the more steady. The less volatility, the more steady in the direction stocks are moving. The trend's going to move. Market sentiment is more stable. The higher the VIX is, the more unstable the market is. You got it?
Comprendemento, señors. I'm trying to read my goddamn story. Never
Well,
ending story.
well, let's get Jeff. Let's call up Jeff.
La,
Let's
la,
wake up
la,
Jeff
la, la, la,
and have
la,
him
la.
translate the subtitles into Spanish.
Hold on, I'm gonna look for that song.
Bro, don't get a copyright strike. By the way, do some housekeeping, bro. I need you to do some housekeeping. We got 5 people watching, so you want to get the QR codes up?
Oh, okay. Where are you? You are right here.
I have no idea. What the hell is that, bro?
Okay, so QR code. Oh, basic trading 101. Vinny, take over this one.
Well, it's just a channel. That's where I'm going to be broadcasting that starting next week. Eddie approved my first video that's going up today. Just a real brief explanation of support and resistance. When we're done with the broadcast, I'm going to do one on trend lines, trend channels, and then I got a third one that'll be up by Sunday on how to set up a Webull chart. So that's the channel, Basic Trading 101. It's there now. If you care to subscribe, you want to follow me on that channel as well, I would appreciate it.
Okay. We also have
Sparta!
Webull. If you want to get Webull, start with a paper trading account. Never use real money. Me and Vinny are doing the $2,000 challenge, which is turning $1,000 into 2,000. Wow! Before we go into live trading, at least for me. All right. It's free. So, and that's the version that we're using right now. It's the free version.
Well, we
Trading view. If you want to do charting, charting is boof. It's this. It's also free. You don't got to pay for it. You get 3 indicators, which is the indicators that I have. But I do take advantage of all the free stuff that they have. So everything is free. Scan the QR code and get yours and get started now. All right. What else do we have?
That's it, bro.
And I
That's
think
all.
that's it.
That's the housekeeping. That's to support the channel. Support the channel, unless you want to talk about your Divvy
DV
credit card.
credit card. DV credit card is how I might maintain my finances on my corp. So I have a $2,000 balance on it, and my company cannot go over that $2,000. And my DV credit card is divided into different sections into a whole bunch of other credit cards, and each one of those credit cards pays a particular membership, like Canva, my editing software. So they take what they're supposed to take from that credit card inside my credit card. And if they, for some reason, try to charge me more than what they're supposed to, it automatically declines. And I get a notification. So, and or those little scammers out there where you like sign up, it's easy for you to sign up for their services, but it's a pain to cancel it, you know. So what you could do is you could just freeze your card, and then they can't charge it anymore. DB credit card. Get your own today by scanning the QR code.
Bro, I'm going to set one of those up next week. I'm going to set up a Divvy credit card because I got to get all my influencer stuff, all my YouTube, Amazon affiliates, all of that shit under one LLC. I got to do it. I have no choice. I got to get it done.
And it also reports to the credit bureaus. In my case, it's reporting to my business credit bureaus.
Exactly. Exactly. To me, that seems like a simple, risk-free way of establishing business credit because you can't screw it up. You can't screw it up. You can only spend what you got on there. It's a secured card. And there's no personal guarantee on that because you have a secured card.
Yep. Um, the thing. Don't start this.
Put that at 219.
This is gonna be my biggest loss today. It's all Vinny's fault. You know why it's Vinny's fault? Because he didn't
Yeah,
have that. It's because he didn't have that charting video on his charting 101. That's why.
but you saw the video before we opened up today.
Yeah, but I need time to practice.
Oh my God. Where you guys signed up to trade real money? I have 2 accounts. My day trading account is Webull, and I love it. I love that I can customize the layout. the way I want to. I love the execution. The fills are solid. I got everything I need on Webull. I do have a TD account. Those are my long-term investments. I've tried trading on TD. My problem with Thinkorswim is the lag, and it doesn't matter how much memory I dedicate to the program, it lags. It's outdated. It lags. For me, it sucks. But a lot of traders on YouTube, they use it. They use it for their day trading. But that's what I use, bro. That's what I use. Look at Richie. Richie's like, it's all my fault. Richie!
This is Sparta!
And Richie will never find that movie on his favorite channel. You know what? You know what Richie's favorite channel is? Eddie,
CNN,
take a guess. Oh,
MSNBC.
he's definitely a CNN guy. But no, his favorite channel. You ready? You sitting down? You sitting down?
I think so.
Okay. You might want to stand up and sit down for this one.
What is it? What is it?
Hallmark.
What? Really?
Yeah, bro. Listen, Richie's a sentimental guy, bro. He's got a big heart. He's a very sentimental
So
guy.
Richie, so you used to watch that guy that used to sell the knives at like 3 o'clock in the morning?
Dude, don't get him started. Don't get him cute. His QVC.
I bought a knife kit and I sold them on eBay.
Oh my god. Oh my
All
god.
those quality knives and stuff. I bought a big box. It was like 300 knives.
He's telling me I'm not on stream anymore, but I'm only 2 minutes away. I'm more than 2 minutes away from you, bro. You live 4.5 miles from me. I can see you coming. Do. Oh man. You're welcome. Forsaken fight. What? How do you pronounce that name?
What?
Forsaken Night.
Forsaken
Oh,
Night.
Forsaken Night.
Forsaken Night.
I like that. That's actually pretty cool. And then he says he loves watching the movies. I don't blame him, bro. They got some good movies on Hallmark. All right, I'm getting my ass handed to me here, bro. Spy is teasing me, but it's only 10.50. I am down $150 today.
Shut up. I'm down $463
I don't know
today.
why. I
Nice.
still don't understand why. Watch your sizing. When you're not sure, and you want to make the trade because you want to see how it plays out to test your strat, keep your sizing small. Trade 1 or 2 contracts. You don't need to jump in 5 or 10. You're not ready for the home run hit yet.
Damn it.
No. Well, you should be pissed off. But it's a learning experience. Yeah, see, I need to get out of these contracts. The dollar's starting to come back down. The VIX is holding steady, though. Bonds, the 10-year bonds holding way over 4% right now. But the dollar's losing some weakness.
What's the dollar ticker? Does that come up on Weibo?
Yes. DXY. Look at this mofo done opened up to 6 charts. Forsaken Night, he is Ubering in LA. So are we talking LA,
Oh,
Los Angeles, or Louisiana, bro? I'm assuming that's LA. California,
California.
at a party. California.
No, they don't. California doesn't know how to party. You know why? You know how I know that?
How do you know that? How do you know
Because they
that?
come in here to party.
Austin?
Yep.
Austin?
They come in
Bro,
here to party.
one of my favorite musical artists of all time, Stevie Ray Vaughan, did a version of Voodoo Child at South by Southwest. Or no, I'm sorry, it wasn't South by Southwest. It was Austin City Limits. Way back in the day, Austin used to do this little musical program, bro. Awesome video of Stevie Ray doing Voodoo Child. By the way, I'm getting smacked around like a $2 bitch right now. I might need to cut
Yeah,
this.
man. And I used to work right next to the to where they have the event over there, and I could get in there for free. You know how many times I could have gone to the Bad Bunny concert that was playing right there?
Yeah,
Or
but that's not.
they were showing off brand new cars that were coming up for the next year, but they were covering
Right.
them up. I just walked right in there. Just walked right in there and watched the whole entire show.
Yeah.
The the techno damn guy that wears the helmet that changes colors and stuff.
Oh,
I
what's his
forgot
name?
I forgot his name, but
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. So I went and watched his concert. Um, but then again, having that power that you can go actually go watch that stuff, it was just kind of like, got tired of it. I hooked some people up and let them in. I hooked myself up, let myself in.
All right,
So
Forsaken Knight is definitely out of Los Angeles. So I hope he's following Steven. I hope he knows about Steven's channel.
yeah, he drives the Tesla.
I'm telling you, bro. I still maybe April. Maybe I'll give it one more month, and then I'll jump on a Tesla rental. I still want to try it, bro. I just want to try it.
Oh,
I
did
just
you talk to that guy about the Tesla rental? What was that guy's website?
test driver test
Yeah,
TESDRIVER.com. Test driver. No, not yet. Fuck. I'm being lazy.
we should give him a call.
I should be like, yo,
Give him a
put me on the
call.
list. Let's set up a hub. And like I told Sergio last night, bro, he needs to talk to Harry. I mean, you got enough drivers down here to book Herbivore. So see how their Herbivore goes this week. Maybe they can set one up from Miami. Well, I wouldn't do it in Miami. I would do it in Fort Lauderdale. Miami, there's no space, bro. There's no place to move. By the way, I'm back down $300 again.
Yeah, I'm about to give up on this right now. We got
And we're
5 more minutes.
pushing 11 o'clock. So I'm basically where I was to start the week. So right now I've given back all my profits this week because I felt risk on.
This is his.
It's just taking too
All
long
his
to
tail.
fill this gap. It's taking way too long
See
to
the
fill this
idea.
gap.
See the idea is to stop renting from Uber because they're expensive and go
Well,
somewhere where it's cheaper, but you can actually multi-app with the car.
that's the difference because it's going to cost you the same whether you're renting through Hertz or you're renting through this guy, right? It's going to cost you the same. The difference
Yeah.
is that you can multi-app the two rideshare apps.
So you don't
That's
have to worry about them shutting your app off. If they shut your app off, it's like, okay, fine, I'll go somewhere else.
right. I drive a Tesla, also non-rental, like 44 hours. All right. Oh, his channel is the Unbroken Driver. Yeah, I put it up in the chat for you. That's his channel, Unbroken Driver. That's Steven. He's one of our guys, and he's part of the Rideshare Garage team. He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Simple insights, really good dude. And then yeah, he's LA. Yeah, man, the whole market just kind of chilled out here, dude. The whole market
Yeah.
just kind of chilled out. I'd like to get one more pop here.
But to the downside, to the upside,
No, I'd like to get one more pop to the downside. Try to cut my losses. Try to minimize my losses here.
it's coming up to that 394.43 level that I have there. Well, 395 is right there. So
395 is right there, bro. It's just taking way too long to fill this gap. Way too long. So the market maker, which is probably an algorithm, is saying, okay, we're going to mitigate pain on options, calls and puts, and at some point it's going to capitulate. It's either going to hit the top of that gap zone and reject, or it's going to keep moving.
I don't see my story.
There's no story now.
I
Look
never
at
saw
Tesla.
my story.
Look at Tesla. Here, let's get that QR code out of there. See how it's just the move was the move. Actually, you had the big leg up, then you had the leg down, and that probably would have been a good two trades for the day, and then wait for the next setup.
What the leg up, then
The
the
leg up,
pullback.
and then the pullback, and that would have been it. Because now it's just playing in the mud. Now it's just ranging. You know what I'm saying? So you'd be getting killed on premiums.
I don't like this.
He says, Forsaken Knight says Uber rentals pay less than non-rentals for the same ride. Interesting. So,
That's your area.
LA. So let me ask you a question. Do you think the people that are renting the Teslas, do you think they are getting preferential treatment for a ride? Forget whether it's paying less or more. Do you think they're getting preferential treatment over non-rental Teslas? Sugar, what is it? Sugar honey iced tea. Sugar honey iced tea.
I think they are. For some reason, I see it. Because a lot of these people that are out there, you just by looking at them, they're not Tesla owners.
Why do you say that?
I would never treat my Tesla like a Tesla owner would not treat their Teslas the way these guys do.
What do you mean?
It's just
What?
the way they treat it, the dirtiness of it. They don't even wipe down the windows. Um, wearing sandals, wearing sandals, dude.
We used to know a guy. Well, we still know him. He's affectionately we call him Fluffy. Okay, he's like 6'5", 6'4", like 360, 350, 360. He's a big Fluffy. And when he first went luxury, when he first got his luxury vehicle, which was a GMC Arcadia, right? He went luxury. It was Lux SUV on Uber. He would show up in a pair of shorts, just like beach shorts, flip flops, not even slides, bro, flip flops, no socks, and, and a Hawaiian shirt. That was Fluffy, my dog. Like sitting side by side, someone with a Hertz Tesla. Their ride offerings were like $1 less than mine, or less money than mine. Okay, for the exact ride, same ride. I tell you, bro, they play these games, dude. They play these games. Games are no good.
Yeah, no, remember, they're trying to do the whole green thing, which is it's just technically it's just gonna backfire. Because it's not working. I mean, dude, it's, whatever it is that they're doing, it's not working. Where is it? Hold on,
8 to 15% less per ride. Wow, that's a lot, dude. That's just a lot.
whatever it is that they're trying to do, it ain't working.
Well, I
So,
mean, Lyft stock right now is at $9.74. It set a new low, bro. Looks like it's at a $9 new year low, new 52-week low, $9.52, bro.
right, and this considered to be like a free fall
Oh yeah, it's
from
it's
here
definitely
on.
a free fall. Oh, it's definitely a free fall, and it's only going to get worse. It's only going to get worse because the market's going to get worse here.
Oh my God.
Enough with the pullback, spy. Just shoot up there and fill the damn gap already. Goddamn market makers.
So
Well,
this
that's
is
what's
when you're talking about support and resistance. Look at this. There. And then there.
yeah. Man, you learned a lot from that little video, huh?
There. Well, correct. Again, looking at my daily right there. Came, look at that, and then touched it. It broke. Fake that. Go back down.
Look at you. Okay, so that video is kosher. Okay.
Yeah. Again, you were doing it on the daily. Now, what I would like to learn is that okay, now I have my levels in there. Now, once I go into my lower time frames, which is what Wes always tell me, look into my longer time frames. I'm doing Wes. Listen, man. Okay, all these freaking, it's like a coloring book, bro. Okay, all I see is the colors. It's all I see is I'm just coloring. I don't see the pattern. I just see the damn colors.
Okay,
So
hold on.
yeah, so I got my lines and all that stuff, and I just gotta learn how to trade it. Man, that's lift. It's just
It's bad, bro.
that's
Lift is
daily,
bad. They're in bad
that's
shape.
weekly.
They are in bad
Oh
shape.
my God, hold on. Let me go back. This is this is weekly.
Okay, go into your daily.
This is daily. It's not going too far out though.
No?
Going up to April.
Well, no, that's the beginning of the stock. That's showing you their entire history on the stock market.
So bad. So bad. So bad. You know what? This is 5 years. Okay, yep.
And
5 years out.
bro, there is a huge trend line there. Take it from the very top, the beginning of their history. Get you a trend line going, and then ride that sucker down. No, keep coming down. Keep coming down. Keep bringing it down. No, not that way. Yeah, that
Wait,
way.
wait, wait.
Go back
Oh,
up.
okay, I see it.
Go back up.
Uh, I see it right there, right there, right there. That right
Uh-huh.
there.
Yep.
Look, everything is under. It came above it, and now it's trailing right above the line, and boof, it just went under. And then these support levels right here now, which now have
So,
become
so
resistance, right?
yep. That trend line and resistance, it's telling you the story right there.
And then what's the where do I go? Where do I put my line?
952 is their all-time low. They just set their all-time low today.
Damn, yeah, I see it right here on the 952,
Yep. That's
52
their
week
all-time low.
range.
They're, they got a lot of worries, man. They got a lot of worries. Nobody believes in them right now. They believe more in Uber than they do in Lyft for whatever reason.
This is Uber. This is Uber.
Yeah, Uber ain't out the woods either. Oh, they're playing with me. This market is playing with me, bro. I'm going to have to,
Yeah, let's cut the
because now I got
feed.
to see it.
This sucks. I don't want to do this no more. Damn it, Wes. Can I blame it on Wes?
Nope.
I'll forgive
Self
you, Wes, when you come
responsibility.
on the damn channel and you start talking some damn trading, some charting stuff. He's all
Nope.
deep.
Cannot blame Wes. He said he took profit now on very short term Apple calls. Good job. Good job.
Oh, where's Apple? Oh, okay, yeah. Wow, Apple's still consolidating. Holy doodles.
I haven't even looked at Apple today. There we go. Now we're
See it?
looking at it.
It's not going anywhere.
Yep. It's just bouncing.
It's not going anywhere. Here's the date. Oh, stupid signal. And remember, I changed all my EMAs to MAs. Make sure I have the same thing here.
I would have just kept my 200 on the simple moving average, and I would have left my. Well, I do. My 200 is my simple moving average, and then my 9, my 45, and 135 are EMAs. All right. Well, hey, let's keep getting that money, guys. Yeah, we're trying, but the market's in a stalemate now. So now it's just a lot of consolidation, not a lot of volume. The heavy trading is done for the day. It was done in the first 45 minutes.
Yep, right over
Everything
here.
is consolidating now.
Oh, like
I
Vinny
am
right.
down $300 today. So I had my chance to break even. I took 2 contracts out for a small profit. I should have took all 3 out at that point. That would have been the smart play. And I thought about it, but I was having fun today. Today I did not take today as a conservative, stick to the rules kind of day. Today I woke up with a risk on attitude, and I'm paying the cost for it. Paying the cost.
Bad,
So
bad.
I'm down 306 on these contracts, but technically I'm down about $260 on the day because I did make a $45, $50 profit earlier. I'm just
I'm
moving with
$508 down for today. Imagine if it was a real trading account. Ooh,
Well, you have to treat it like a real trading account. Take the pain, learn from the mistakes, and get ready to move on tomorrow. You have to. All right.
not too fun. All right, let's close it. I'm done. I don't want to do this no more. It's all your fault. I need to blame it on somebody. Feel better.
This is Sparta!
All right. We will see you guys tomorrow. We're going to be doing the same thing over and over and over again till I can find my never ending story. Damn it. Freaking story. I don't freaking see anything unless he's freaking lying. Anyway, peace. Goodbye. Do the
All
song
right.
thing.
You want me to do the song thing?
Yeah, do the whatever it is that you play, whatever
All
it's
right.
called.
Here we go. All right, y'all.
Pow.